Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering, here to show you how to install the rubber mounted skid plate on the XCW models for the 2-strokes. It'll be the same for the extreme plate as it will be the standard, so we'll go ahead and show you how to do that now. Okay, the first step you're going to do, you'll notice in your skid plate package that you have this foam adhesive tape. So what you want to do is you want to line it up on the frame anywhere that the skid plate is going to come in contact with it. With this particular bike, with these XCWs, the mounting hole is right here in the frame, so you want to make sure that you don't cover that up. But just get it anywhere that the skid plate is going to come in contact. Then hold the skid plate up to the frame, take one of the provided 6x20 bolts, get it started in both the front 2 holes, and leave them loose for now. That way we can go to the back with the hook. Okay, now that we got the skid plate on, the front 2 bolts are in but loose, we're going to take the skid plate hook. You're going to want to make sure the mounting holes are facing back and the hook goes on top of this frame rail here. Just hold it in place and then take the other 2 provided 6x20 bolts, go through the skid plate and then into the hook. Okay, now we've got both of these back ones started by hand also. This is where we're going to take the 8mm T-handle or socket, and then we're going to tighten these back 2 bolts and then move ahead and tighten the front 2. Okay, so that's how you install the rubber mounted skid plate on the 250-300 XCW models of the KTM lineup. It'll work with both the standard and the extreme skid plate. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroENG.com.